Hey guys, Caesar here with Easy DIY Tech. We're going to be removing the little wiring that goes over the engine on M54, M52 and M56 BMW engines. This one here is a 2000 model BMW M52 B25 TU. The wiring is pretty much the same for the ignition coils on all the M52, M54 and M56 engines. This one here is on an E46 chassis, which is a 3 Series from 2000 to 2006. This chassis here actually has the wiring for the starter and alternator that goes over the top here. Not all chassis are going to have that, but let's start off with that one. This is just a 19mm here. You're going to remove this nut right there. You just slide it right off, and you can lay it over to the side, and we'll slip this nut back on so we don't lose it because it's kind of special. Then we got our ignition coil wiring harness right here. All BMWs, all the M52, M54 and M56 models, doesn't matter if you have Delphi ignition coils, which are like these, or you have the Bosch ignition coils, which do not have any retaining bolts, they're just press on. They're all going to have a ground on that wiring harness attached to the valve cover. For that, it's going to be an 8mm. Some models, I believe, have 2, some only have 1 ground. This one only has 1 right there. So we'll just remove the little 8mm nut that goes right there. And we'll just slide it right off. We're then going to remove the connectors from the ignition coils on the Delphi. You just lift up on this metal strip that they have. And just pop that guy up carefully. Make sure you don't bend it or warp it out of shape. Slide it right up. Do that for all 6. Once you have that out, you can slide the connector back off of it. Just pull it straight out. And then the wiring harness is encased in a plastic cover that is clipped on to the valve cover here. All you have to do is just look to see where it's clipped in on one corner and just carefully pry it out of that clip. Once you pry it out of that clip there, you can start working it out. Wiggle it out of each clip. You don't want to break them, so be careful. And then you just lift it off. You can see here where it grabs on each clip. Right there in the front. We got 2. Right here on the back we have more. We have 2, 4, 6 of them. You just lift it off and you move it out of the way so you can work on the engine.